Imagine a world where waiting lists for organ transplants are a thing of the past. No more searching for donors, no more risk of rejection. Instead, if we could simply print our organ. Welcome to Biotic World. Today we are exploring one of the most mind-blowing frontiers of biotechnology, bioprinting, and asking the big question, can it really replace organ transplants? Let's start with the basics. Bioprinting is like 3D printing, but instead of plastic or metal, it uses bio ink, a mixture of living cells, growth factors, and biomaterials. Layer and layer. This bio ink is used to create complex structure from tissues to entire organ. Think of it as building an organ from the ground up, cell by cell. Why is bioprinting so important? Here's the harsh reality. Over 1 lakh people worldwide are waiting for organ transplants at any given moment. Many never get the chance because of donor shortages. Even when a match is found, the risk of rejection is high, requiring lifelong medication. Bioprinting could solve all of these by creating custom organs tailored to each patient's DNA. So, how does it actually work? Bioprinting involves 3 main steps. Scans of the patient's body are used to design a 3D blueprint of the organ. Bioink is loaded in the printer, which layers cells and biomaterials to recreate the structure of the organ. The bioprinted organ is placed in a bioreactor, a device that mimics the human body, to help it grow and mature. Now let's talk about where we stand today. Bioprinting has already achieved incredible milestones. For instance, researchers have bioprinted skin for burn victims, creating personalized grafts that heal faster. Miniature liver tissues have been printed and are being tested for drug screening. A groundbreaking project created 3D printing cartilage and bone for reconstructive surgery. But here's the big one. Scientists are now working on bioprinting functional kidneys, hearts, and lungs. These projects are still in early stages, but the progress is astonishing. Of course, no revolutionary technology is without its challenges. Bioprinting is not ready to replace organ transplant just yet, and here's why. First, complexity. Organs like kidneys and hearts are incredibly intricate, with billions of cells and tiny blood vessels. Printing them is a huge technological hurdle. Second, functionality. Even if we can print an organ, making it function properly inside the human body is another challenge entirely. Third, cost. Bioprinting is expensive and scaling it to be widely available is still a long way off. So, what does the future hold? Experts predict that within the next 10 to 30 years, bioprinting could go mainstream. Hospitals might have bioprinters on site, creating tissues and organs as needed. This technology could also extend beyond machine and medicine. Imagine bioprinting meat to tackle food shortages or creating synthetic tissues for testing new drugs without animal models. But with great power comes great responsibility. Who owns the rights to bioprinted organs? How do we ensure this biotechnology doesn't widen the gap between rich and poor? These are the questions we will need to address as bioprinting evolves. Bioprinting has the potential to save countless lives and redefine healthcare, but can it completely replace organ transplants? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, this is a field you will want to keep an eye on. If you are as fascinated by biotechnology as we are, hit that like button and subscribe to Biotic World. Let's explore the future of science together. And hey, drop a comment below. What organ would you want to see by?